Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss Kitchen. Today we are making homemade super crispy french fry. In this video I'm going to show you the tips and tricks of how to get the best crispy french fries every time. And if it's your first time to come across my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. And now, if you are ready to learn how to make the super crispy homemade french fries, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, for our french fry seasoning, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley flake, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to give it a mix and wait for our french fries to be ready. Okay, so for our french fries, we're gonna of course need some potatoes. So with our peeler, we're gonna go ahead and peel the potato. I like to use the peeler because the peeler helps me to remove just the skin and not too much meat. Let's go. Okay, for our second step, we're gonna cut our potato in sticks. So, just gonna cut it like this. Okay, for our next step, we're gonna rinse up our cut potato. And we're going to submerge our potato in some cold water to get rid of some starch. And we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna rinse it up and go to the fire. Okay, 30 minutes later, we're gonna drain our potato and dry it. Okay, so in the sheet pan, we're gonna line some paper towel and we're gonna dry our potato. So another paper towel, we're gonna go ahead and dry our potato. Make sure they're dry before we fry them. Okay, so we have our potato completely dry. So it's time to fry them. And in the medium saucepan, I have some olive oil. Preheat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use any other cooking oil, they work perfectly. In my case, I'm just using some olive oil. So the temp is set up for about 300 degrees. So to fry it, we're gonna go by small batches. That way we don't lose our oil temperature. You gotta stay at 300 degrees. Okay, our french fries been cooking for about 3 minutes, so we're gonna take it out of the oil and let it cool down, and then we're gonna fry it for the second time. So we're going to continue the process for the rest of our potato. Okay, after we fry our potato 300 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes, we're gonna let it rest until it's completely cold, and then we're gonna set up our oil temperature for 400 degrees and then we're gonna fry for the second time. This process helps our fries to be very crispy on the outside and very soft in the inside. Okay, for our last step, we're gonna set up our oil temperature for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna fry our French fries for one last time for about 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Let's go. After 3 minutes, our fries is ready. So we're gonna take it out. And while it's hot, we're gonna put our seasoning we made earlier. So we're gonna put it on while it's hot. And then we're gonna set it aside. And we're gonna continue the process until we're done frying the remaining fries. Let's go. Our French fries is ready, so now it's time to go for the tasting. Wow, our French fries taste so amazing. It's melt in your mouth, so crispy on the edges and so soft in the inside. There is something my mom told me, hard work always pays off. So I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try, to share with your family and your loved one. So we are behind our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future video. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace!